accounting.
Meron.
Accounting is the art of recording, classifying, summarizing, and significant matters in terms of money, transactions, and events. Usually part of financial accounting. Interpreting the results thereof. Lord, tulungan niyo po ako sa exam. Nag-aral po ako na mabuti dito at hinihingi ko po ang guidance niyo. I have faith in you to help me through this. Oh my gosh, ang hirap. Paano to?